Hi, in this video I will show you how to find downloads on the Android. So the process is pretty simple. So if you have downloaded some photo, video or anything like songs, movies in your phone and now you want to know where it is downloaded, so simply you have to follow this procedure. So first of all you have to open the search option of your apps, and once you will open it, now you have to search for the file manager here. Once you will search a file manager, simply you have to click on it, and here you will see multiple options here. Simply you have to click on the download button. So this is the folder where your all downloads will be appear. So if you have downloaded any photo, video, anything from your browser or from anywhere, you will see that here. So this is the procedure to find out the downloads on the Android. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.